Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change Stormfiber Wi-Fi password. So first you just need to go to your IP address of your Wi-Fi or Stormfiber router. So you just need to find out the IP address. Now let's find the IP address. So you just need to open your PC, then go to the control panel, and you will find the network, that the Wi-Fi network that you have connected with your device. Now you just need to simply click on it, and you will find this type of window where you will find this details button. Simply click on this details button, and in this IPv4 default gateway you will find the IP address. So you can use this IP address to get into the Stormfiber router or Stormfiber server. So where you can just log in with the admin and the admin password actually. So if you don't change it, so you can just use this default username and password like admin, or you can use admin as username and password as password. So when you have logged in successfully, click on the double line button in the header area. Enter the new SSID name if you want to change the name, or if you want to change the password, then you have to enter the new password in this WPA pre-shared key. So in this pre-shared key you can just add a password that could be 8 to 63 characters long or 64 hexadecimal characters. So you can just enter or create a password. Make sure you have entered a strong and rememberable password, so you can just remember the password for further use. So that's how you can just easily change the Wi-Fi password on for your um, Stormfiber router. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.